Happy Friday the 13th, Cherry Bomb Squad members. We are going to put on a very quick trade today because I'm running late. So, with that said, let's hop into the platform. Are you bearish on oil? Because today's trade is, or at least it's saying, I don't think it's going to rally too much. So, quick look at the market right here over in this customized watch list. If you haven't seen that video yet and you don't know how to make a customized watch list, I'll put a card up here for you so you can check out that video on how to make a custom watch list. We can see that crude oil is up 5%. So we're going to modify today's cherry bomb. I know that might seem sacrilegious or maybe against the point, but I'm looking at putting on a trade that has similar probabilities as to the one that we were sent in our email list. Subscribe to that email list at tastytrade.com. You'll get them before these videos come out, so you'll have that advantage. So it looks like the market in general is rebounding a little bit off of yesterday's really bad day. So let's take a quick look at the charts. Of course, that's something we should do. You can see here what a not awesome day yesterday was for the bulls. All right, so we can see that, right? Same thing here, I'm sure, in the NASDAQ. Yep, look at that. Whoop. See, so not so good. So let's zoom back out. Let's head over to crude oil. And for whatever reasons, today's candle's not showing up. Not sure why. But we can see that we are low, and so it's pretty tempting to be a bull. I know I am. But I can also agree with today's cherry bomb that I don't think it's coming back up here for a while. So let's put on that trade. Let's say, hey, look, what if we even take a position that we don't necessarily agree with? Can we keep it or make it profitable? So here we go. Into the Analyze tab, Add Simulated Trade. We're in crude oil futures. So the cool thing is today's trade should fill, right? Depending on how liquid it is right now and those strikes that we're going to. So we're in the May expirations. The email's a little confusing. Maybe that's because I'm not the most avid futures trader. Here we have, it says in the email, the April expirations, but and it says 38 days. This one is May and it's 34. So yeah, if you know why they're different, I would love for you to leave a comment in the comment section below. Or if you had a video on why that's different, I'll watch your video. So that being said, here we go. It said to do the 35.5 and the 37.5 strikes, and it was in the email a 70% probability of profit. I retweaked those numbers, and I came up with, to get a similar probability, we're going to do a vertical call spread at the 37 and 39. Well, I am. You could do what the email says. I'm going to try to give ourselves the same probability, probably because oil has bumped up since this email was sent. So here we go. I'm going to right-click the bid on the 37 calls, choose Analyze Sell Trade, carefully move up to vertical, and then we see here it's 37, and it's only a 50 cent wide. We want to make this a $2 wide, and we're collecting 63 cents. All right, let's take a look at our risk profile, and let's set the expiration here to May, right, and price slices break even at expiration, and we're right there at about that 70% probability of profit, right? So anything, we have 70% chance of staying to this side, right? So remember, the probability of profit doesn't mean that you're going to make the probability of making full profit, right? It's just making 1 penny. So 70% chance. So that's why we're doing that one, to give ourselves close to the same probabilities that we had in the email. So I'm going to right click this, choose confirm and send, and we can see here that we have a max profit of $640 and a max loss of $1,360. Okay, so you can see there a little bit more leverage on this one than selling something like USO. We're in the futures. We're going to hit confirm and we're going to hit send, and we'll see what happens here in futures land. Okay, and there we go. There we go. Instantly filled. You don't get to hear the ding often on my videos, right? Yay! And there we go. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'll see you next week for our Monday Cherry Bomb recap. or tune in for one of the weekends days, either Saturday or Sunday. I like to do a how-to video. If you have any questions of what you'd like to see in a how-to video, feel free to put that in the comments. If you liked this video, please leave a like. If you didn't like it, leave a didn't like button, thumbs down, right? If you think you'd like to see more of these videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for a notification when my videos are released. I'll see you again.